Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gulo Good Graphics. Okay, for now. And these are the name of the fonts I use. Impact, Edit, Beba Snowball, Montserrat Medium, Swiss 71 BLKCNBT. You can search for them online to download them. Okay, guys, yes. So that's that or that. And the lenslet, I will make use of them, just apply them right now over here. Okay, and F4. Yes, guys. So guys, I want to still work on this picture. Take this downward. Okay, and there, guys. I'm gonna group them into G. So every resources right here, guys, I want to implement them, and I'm using everything right now. So I'm going to bring in the redesign, and I'm going to show you every single thing I did to accomplish it, even the necessary test. Okay, so stay with me, guys. So guys, this is the full design. Okay, the complete test and everything. So I'm going to show you how I did everything. So just stay cool. For the test, you can see, group this assemblies of God. You can see the font size 6.848 pt impact. Then with this impact same size 6.848. No, 6.848. And I just drag the rectangular onto over here. It's very simple. Just drag it and make it smaller. That's what I did. And I think there's a shadow effect on it. Let's see. There's no shadow effect, so take note there, but there's a shadow effect on this logo. 22. Okay, take note. Function F4. And see the arrangement I did. Take note, guys. See the necessary arrangement. And for this transformation, I make use of that vector. You can see the vector over there. And the transformation, the font is Airbit 6.987 transformation conference. And for this is just a normal vector, rectangular vector that I just adjusted where I want, and pick this color from those ones over here. But not to panic, guys. What I want to do right now, I'm going to show you the color code for it. Okay, yes. So you see some gradient effect fountain. All right, so I'll go to my color picker and go right there and show you the color code. EEA508. That's the color code. Check on my previous videos for you to know how to apply color code on CorelDraw. EEA508. That's it, guys. And the other one is a black color. Just fill with your gradient effect. Okay, that's what I did over there, and I typed the test, which is Swiss 721 BLKCNBT 10.98181 pt. Take note of the font size, guys. So this is what I did over there. 2024, that's the test. So we'll move on, and for those test name, the pastor's name, you can see this make color. I actually picked it from, where did I pick it? Actually I can't remember, but I know I picked it from the same design and give it a good fitting. So let me just show you the color code for it. Go to my color picker. You can see the color code FFFFDA1. That's the color code. So let me just show you how to get color code right now. Let me bring a normal rectangle and remove the outline. Okay, so just give it a black color first, and I'm gonna put my color code right now. Let's see, F3FDA1. Okay, double click on this black one over here. Sorry, is it? Sorry. So click on this color over here and say edit color. Wait for it to load. Okay, yeah, it has finished loading. Click on this color eyedropper tool. Just bring it and drop it anywhere over here. You see, it has arranged for you to be able to apply your color code. Then I'm going to type that color code I just said. Triple F D D A1. You see, that's it. Okay. You see, I've gotten the color. I'm going to say okay. It's already here now. So you just click on what you want to do and say, and give it a color. See, done. And for this vector over here, it's very simple. Just go to the rectangular tool, drag this, remove the outline, give it the color, and right click, convert to curves, double click on it, double click on this one. You see, that is it. And for the new color, let me show you the color code. My color eyedropper tool. See, that's the color code C0, let's see, C04739. So follow the same process that I showed you guys. I'm going to get the exact same result, okay? Just do it, and this is our commission to just page it down. That's what I did over there. And for this, I just type this Pastor Sai Arume host. Yeah, Mr. Melo David. This man of God, and this especially Arume is not an AG member, but this is a fictional flyer, guys. So that's why I used it. Just stay flow with the cruise. This is my logo as normal. And for the test, 16th of February, let's see. I grouped it and group it. And see the font size 12pt is uppercase. Same with this. And for this, I selected this part. Selected this part. It's on shadow effect. There's a shadow effect on it. Then that's it, guys. And for the text, I selected this once and give it an orange color. Okay, I think this is too harsh. Okay, Ctrl Z. Let's sorry. Let's see the color code for this orange. Okay, go to my color eyedropper tool and place it on it. This is the color code. Let me zoom in properly to see it. F9AD08, D08, not O. F9AD08. So take note, guys, that's the color code. Just apply it to it on each places. You know what to do, guys. Yes, you know what to do. Okay, and the font size is 6pt. Assemblies of God, Church of Deuteron. Look at the font size. This one uppercase 12pt. This, let's see, 8pt. Contract medium. Let me take this down with the video over there, and that's the location icon that I got to, and that is that to that. I think there's a shadow effect on this test 22. Same with this and this too. Okay, take it, guys. And this is just a normal something you could just do. Just bring your rectangular tool and drag. See, just do it. Feel free to explore your designs, guys. And this is everything about this. And let's go into the workspace. And for the test, you can see I already applied the lens effect. Let me show you something now. Go to my transparency tool and remove it from screen to normal. See that lens effect, I've already applied it. So continue to screen to see is displaying over here, and there's also one here. Change to normal. You can see I just duplicated them to Z, and there's also one here. Screen over here. See it's on screen. Change to normal. To change to normal, you see it. See, that's it, guys. No big deal. Just follow principles to enjoying designing. Okay, yes. And let's keep going and stuff. I group the pictures. Okay, you not be confused. And there's lens flares over here. There's one over here, that circle one. See it, there's also one over here. You see, think normal. I think I also added one. Well, okay. That's only part I added the lens effect on. You see, and this text over the background is visual. Let me bring it out for you to see what I did right now. Let's go to my transparency to first. Is on add change to normal. I just added a dark brown color over here. That you could see the color code of the outline anyway. So my color, eyedropper tool, and click on it. This is the color code 967337. Create an outline. The font name is Mandola Expanded. Take note, guys, Mandola was expanded. Make sure to align to download it. Mandola Expanded, that's the font name. It's an uppercase and it's 146pt. That's how I did it. And after doing this outline, I changed the transparency to hard. Remember to do that also, guys. You need to add. So that's what I did. And I just applied it on my design to give it some kind of fitting pictures for me. And you can see this is covering the pictures for me. This one right now. I just applied it over here to fade this thing and make it look good for me. and this is everything about the design, guys. Option F4. So this is everything about this Ignite church flyer that I designed with CorelDraw. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also share the video. If there's any place you don't understand, don't hesitate to comment, and I won't also hesitate to give you a reply. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I remain Good Graphics. Remain blessed. So let me quickly save the job. So guys, the job is being saved now, and see everything about it. Just give design time, you get better. Don't worry, okay? Low principles. It's a simple thing to do. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys.